Good morning. It's Tuesday, May 19th. I didn't film yesterday. A couple reasons. The guys are still kind of doing the same stuff. Materials did arrive yesterday, the tubing for the doors and the windows, so that's awesome. On, I think it was Friday, sometime last week, we had a lot of rain and wind and came outside and our bamboo for around our patios at the rentals here had fallen over, so now we've replaced them with some steel posts. It'll pick it up there, but yeah, some stronger steel posts. We have two to put on Casa Tropical because eventually we're going to put a roof over the patios here, so when people stay, it is raining, they can sit outside still. And we have a wire for a fan already and everything, so yeah. Not sure why the guys didn't finish doing that. Maybe they need more concrete or something. But yeah, let's go over to the build, see what they've been up to. So yeah, it looks like we got the tracks for the two sliding doors that go on the outside that we will weld to the outside of the container, and then the door will slide in those. So we got those, as well as the tubing to frame out the actual big sliding doors, and then as well as the bump out. Looks like we're still waiting for the, it's a 4-inch, I think 4-inch by 1-inch or 4-inch by 2-inch steel tubing to do the windows. And we were doing 3-inch before and found that you'd have to put so much silicone in there to stop the rain from coming in where the windows join the steel. So Leo decided that 4-inch is gonna be better, and then we'll still use quite a bit of silicone because you don't want it leaking, and that should be a lot better for staying more watertight instead of having to redo it, which we had to do on our house because when we were doing it, we were learning. Good afternoon, it's Thursday. So the guys have been framing out all day yesterday, so I didn't film it. They got a lot done now, so I'm gonna show you the ceiling all done. And then they started doing the walls as well, so I can show you that. Still waiting for materials to do the bump out and the doors. Should be here tomorrow, Leo said. Let's hope it is, so they can start cutting out big openings, which are a little more exciting to see on video. But yeah, I'll show you the framing. So you can see they put down the waterproof paint now, which then we put the track onto, and then there's no moisture buildup from between the floor and the track as it's sitting on there. So a little added protection on the wood as well as the metal. And yeah, so they got all those done at the bottom. They gotta do steel in here still. Good morning. It's now Friday, May 22nd. Leo's here today, and tomorrow he's starting to cut the doors out, and he's got the track up for the door to open on, so I'm going to show you that. And as he's cutting it out and framing and all that stuff, I'm going to show you that as well. Let's go check it out. So they've got the frame all welded up and the wheels on it and hung up. I'm going to show you that, and now they're working on finishing cutting the opening and then welding the frame to the piece of steel. So I figured I'd whip up some jerk chicken wings for the guys. Have a little afternoon snack. It's hot barbecuing in the midday. Yeah, they just finishing up the door. So once I get to the end, I'll go film that, show you it getting the final weld, and then we can open it up, get some breeze through. Good morning. Saturday. Neighbors are noisy. The guys are cutting out the second big sliding door right now. We're going to frame that out and hang the steel door today. And yeah, we'll just go over and see how that's going. I haven't been over yet this morning. A little bit of a gloomy day. Actually, there's some blue sky over there, so not a bad day. So yeah, we'll go over and see what they're up to. yeah, now that both doors are all opened up, it's a nice cross breeze in here. So when they have the actual doors in, they can just have the screens closed and get that flow right through. It's a lot cooler in here for the guys working now. All right, so that's it for this week's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. A lot of progress in the last couple days with Leo being here and being the welder guy that he is, getting everything cut out and welded up. It's nice to see that flow going now too. It's all open. So we just have the one bump out for the bedroom to do, and then another window to cut in that. And then once that's all framed out, I can get the window company to come and measure. But yeah, if you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. And we will see you next week in the next episode. Ciao.